MCS Kadumba ba Mount Kenya bareba kuma isiolo na murangani batirimanetio nderu kurutite na mbere koneka rukyongela nende katharini agati mbarubara izrutona munini wa Kirugathi Gachagua mona bo MCS Bakirinyaga Nyeri na Kiambu na Nyandarua bateo kare kimuchemaniyo isiolo gukurukira speaker Abduba nitumirite nende gutonya kirimara ya Mount Kenya East Boniface Mongera na kulikithia chikinya
Kihothirano kia MCS bakumorotero akirimara irene kaunti 10 hoteli ni morotero Murang'a hiwetite bobo ende gukinyira mathenya cha muthenya MCS bakuma kaunti cha Nyeri Kiambu Nyandarua Murang'a baumara bana bamwe bao barabatigirerwe bakikishire tura Professor Kithure Kindiki tukwithoro rigwetwa na ria gwetwa bagokiria karo
inavihitaji kukua free. Hey boss, you will give your opinion.
But give them the correct version of why we want.
I am Joseph Jeru Engara MCA. No, wacha kuja sema yake.
Mugwe na moroto zo mune jokethoro nikiga ntukwenarwa jokali ko watambaru otongira Professor Kithure Kindiki onto broto bya kwethira boithithe kaburega na kwegana no tumathoko ni jonekanire katika MCS bakumorotero Mount Kenya West na Mount Kenya East arekinya speaker bao barabokali otongeria bao baremero ibo.
Sisi wote tulikuwa tumejaa hapa, lakini ile agenda tulitoa jana si agenda ambayo tumeikuta leo kwa meza, kwa sababu huyu speaker kwanza wa Embu na ni rafiki yangu ametuzungusha hivi akatuzungusha, lakini end result anataka tuelekee pale tu mahali ya kuendorse Kithure Kindiki.
Hii vile tumeona ni njama ya mbali ya kukuja kuandamine deputy president, and we as the MCAs and leaders hapa mashinani hiyo hatutakubali,
na hakuna mtu taendorse kwa sababu sisi tunajua watu wawili, president wetu na deputy wake Rigathi Gachagua, na sisi kama watu wa Kirinyaga sisi tunapenda Rigathi Gachagua, na hii mchezo tuko nayo hiyo tusahau.
The aim of the meeting was discussing how MCAs can partner with the CS in the Ministry of Interior, who is the coordinator. The Interior Ministry is the coordinator of development in the country, so that also our region benefits.
Mnaku MCS bondo bakuma kaunti Meru, kaunti Tharaka Nithi, kaunti Embu, nya kaunti Isiolo ibashumiriri na barunga matiri buga Professor Kithure Kindiki noe bakwenda na noe mto.
Even those who are bought to come and disrupt this meeting, that this meeting is not meant to endorse anyone. Kithure Kindiki is endorsed by the Almighty God.
I strongly believe Professor Kithure Kindiki, given opportunity, can transform even this country. So we want to urge our brothers from the other side of West to support our son, so that our son can transform this region and can put us together.
Kenge na kyo na kire gishumirire kire kithorone kiga ntukwenarwa na te Professor Abraham Kithure Mono Kindiki nethro akiwa tombaru bobori kaunti Isiolo are kujira nteto eji speaker bunge kaunti Isiolo Roba augire boku maja kuitana mbere na ntua Mount Kenya East na mto wao raba komenya Professor Kithure Kindiki.
We have officially decided to join Mount Kenya East, and going forward politically we are going to be part of Mount Kenya East, and we have designated Professor Kindiki Kithure, the CS for Interior, to channel all our issues going forward.
Atere na kulingana ni kwethuru ikiaro na rungu ni MCS bakumorotero Mount Kenya West baruga Professor Kithure Kindiki kwethuru akiwa tombaru ni antu bakumorotero kwao gakethro ekabari obobwega no tutayari mubunge Ndindi Nyoro kumorotero akiaro na kumbatirite Murang'a arakithia kikingi nakyo gavana Nwiguru akareitie cyo rotero akirinyaga munio Rais Rigathi Gachagua noe airigirite chawe rotero Nyeri Nyandarua na Kiambu kebara nabo bakwasise mwaka 2027 takinyira abakwari rongo nkiripoti ya Ntoshoro TV kumawandine Gaturi constituency ya Kiaru Murang'a mbita Boniface Mongera.